Hey, what's up? My name is Luke and I thought that I would include a video as well. I have a YouTube channel, so I'm very comfortable being on camera. But I'm going to tell you why I selected all coding languages. So I've been coding for a long time. You can go to my website here. I've done plenty of websites. When I was at Airbnb, I created this tool called AirShots, and it was based off of Appium. And I basically just stared at the code and figured it out. Am I an engineer? No. Can I figure things out? 100%. I'll put the link for this in the comments of this video. What I've been doing in order to make sure to write industry level code is creating retrieval augmented generation databases for pretty much everything. So when I wanted to look up how to do things in Adobe Audition, because I didn't know how to use the parametric equalizer, I went on YouTube, found the most popular videos, transcribed them, added them to a vector database, and then created a screenshot loop with Claude in order to learn whatever I needed to learn. Whenever I have complicated questions, like for example, the best way to create a retrieval augmented generation system, I go ahead and find engineering interview questions on TikTok, YouTube, and then I create a ROS from that. My favorite engineer is RJ McCandless, and essentially how to do industry level stuff I can just do myself because I can follow instructions. I do know how to decode. I know the theory of code, loops, load balancing, all of the stuff that I need to learn. I know how to learn it and or create a retrieval augmented generation system that I call RAG because I hate saying RAG to find out that information and have my agent ask for me. I've been able to do some pretty complicated things. For example, I put a local LLM on my computer that I access remotely, exposed it with ngrok, and then was able to connect that to WhatsApp. So I had AI connected to my WhatsApp number. And the way that I was able to do that was simply to take screenshots of the setup interface and say, what should I click next? If you're gonna ask me to go on a whiteboard and code by hand, no, I can't do that. If you were to give me a project and ask me to write it in one of those languages, yes, I can do that with an AI agent because I have techniques on finding the right information. I kind of think of it like this. AI and the internet is a library. I'm a librarian or a reference librarian who knows how to work with the card catalog to find the information that is needed. And I think that's kind of my mission in life, to show people that they really can create anything. I've recreated 11 labs, added plugins for GitLab, created plugins for Figma that were paid. Anything is possible, and I want to help develop this technology to continue to make it amazing. Here's the response from my retrieval augmented generation system for RJ's content. And then I went ahead and asked it how it would work if it were run locally. So it gave me that information as well. So if the result is what matters, I can do that. Thanks.